Hey guys, what's happening? How to deposit money to Kraken Pro. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead and click the portfolio value at the top right here. And then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and hit the deposit button at the bottom right here, the first one on your left. And then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and deposit, the money, which in our case maybe we're gonna use US dollar, right? Or if you have an asset, right? If you have crypto asset already in your, in another wallet, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and select the crypto. Right? In our case, maybe we want to use fetch.ai. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit I understand, and they're gonna generate now the address, and you're gonna copy the address and go to your other wallet and withdraw the money to that address, right? And then you're gonna receive the crypto from this wallet to Kraken app, right? But if you want to deposit the money like cash, just go ahead and hit the US dollar at the top, right? And then hit I understand, because they're gonna give you bank details, and you're gonna take that bank details, right, that Kraken will give you, and then transfer that money from your bank if you are using a bank individually, if you have a personal account, or if you have a joint account. That depends really. So if you're if you're an individual who uses a private or personal bank, just go ahead and hit the first one, and then what you're gonna do, just copy the IBAN and the SWIFT or BIC and the account number and the bank name and the address and the company address, right? So after you transfer the money, hit I made that deposit, and Kraken will check or to verify basically if you deposit that money to their bank, right? And they will credit the funds to your account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.